In this video, I will show you how to convert PPT file to Word text. To convert a PowerPoint presentation into a Word document, we have several methods available. Method 1, using Microsoft PowerPoint Outline View. Open your PowerPoint presentation that you want to convert. Go to the menu bar and click on the View tab. From the ribbon, click on Outline View. Then press Ctrl+A to select all the text. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Now open Microsoft Word. Take a new document. Press Ctrl+V to paste here. Now save your Word file. Method 2, using Microsoft PowerPoint handouts. Open your PowerPoint presentation that you want to convert. Click on the File tab in the upper left corner. Select Export from the menu. Click on Create Handouts. A dialog box will appear. Choose your preferred layout for the handout. I will select Outline Only. Click OK to export your presentation as a Word document. A Word document will automatically open with your presentation text. Method 3, creating a PDF. Open your PowerPoint presentation that you want to convert. Click on File. Select Save As. Click Browse. Select the file type as PDF. Click Save. Now right-click on your saved PDF. Select Open With. Select Choose Another App. Choose Word from the drop-down menu. Click on Just Once. Click OK. Microsoft Word will convert it to an editable Word document. You can change anything you want. By following these steps, you can easily convert your PowerPoint presentations into editable Word documents for further use or sharing with others.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.